Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I know it's been long, just wanted to say hi, and I penned down a few lines regarding something that's a buzzing news nowadays in the social media. I spend a lot of time scrolling social media and would like to mention before I start that I'm a very proud Indian and I still remember the pledge that we were taught in school by heart. So out of my bubbling emotions, penned a few lines down in my old school notebook, thought of sharing it with my online friends. Would be glad if you guys let me know what your views are on what I wrote and what I felt. If you could relate, please do let me know. Now let's begin. So I titled this poem as We Are India. We are India. Which India? Where freedom fighters bled to make it the India, the largest democracy in the world. And freedom of speech gave right to make two Indias. We are India, where we celebrate all festivals with pomp. But trouble comes to Jallikattu and Diwali bomb. We are India, ruled over for decades, still going out as slaves in comedians' facades. We are India, where trusting fathers send their daughters to space and sky. Yet, we are India, where we still take advice from elders. And you ask why? We are India. Our sentiments are so soft that even in happiness, sometimes we cry. But to wash and dry our dirty laundry in front of the world, we don't feel shy. We are India. We don't come from India. I'm an Indian who loves her country. I won't lie, though not brave enough like the freedom fighters and soldiers who were ready to die. We are India. We, the youth. Yes, we need to improve. That is the truth. But as a country, we are a family. Should we talk about our motherland's flaws in an open gallery? We are India. We are one. Please don't divide us to two Indias. That was already done. We are India, where all are welcome. Please don't judge us just because of some. I thank you so much for lending an ear. I don't know whether you felt how I felt when I penned these lines down. I love my country and I wish that someday we all can contribute our little bits for the betterment and improvement of our country rather than just criticizing it. I know I'm just talking, but I'll try my level best to do whatever little I can do to keep my little city clean, to not throw the garbage here and there. If that positivity could help a bit in my country's development, I would love to do that. And urge you all as well, instead of just talking about it, let's do our little bits to try and help the country. I'm sure we are a big population, we'll go somewhere great. India will be great. I thank you so much for your time.